Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've heard about Canva but don't know where to start, then this video is for you. In this tutorial, I will take you through and explain the important tools and show you how to create your very first design using a free template. So everything I'll be showing you in this video works on Canva free plan, so you don't need any Canva Pro to follow along. Let's get started. So what is Canva? Canva is an easy online design platform that allows you to create a professional looking designs without needing any graphic design experience or expensive softwares. Whether you are a student, a small business owner, a content creator, freelancer, a marketer, or even someone that just wants to design something beautiful, Canva is easy to use. You can use Canva to design Instagram posts, Facebook posts, YouTube flyers, presentations, resume, posters, videos, documents, and so many more. So to get started, visit Canva's website. If you don't have an account yet, click on sign up. You can create an account using your Gmail address or your Apple ID. If you already have an account, simply click on login. So during sign up, Canva may ask you what you'll be using it for, such as work, personal, or education. Choose whatever works for you. In this tutorial, I will be going with work and business. So if you're planning to use a free version, simply skip any page asking you to start a free trial or Canva Pro. Once you are in, you will arrive at Canva's homepage. But before we start designing, let me quickly show you around. While on the homepage, you will notice that Canva offers many different types of projects. You can create presentations, social media designs, videos, documents, or even website. You can generate you can generate designs using AI. You can code, and you can even use spreadsheet. Excel spreadsheet. There are a lot of possibilities with Canva. Don't be afraid to explore later. So now let's look at the menu on the left. The first button is the create buttons. It allows you to start a design from the scratch. You get to choose a design you want on Canva. It opens a blank Canva where you can create everything yourself. Inside the editor, you will find tools like text, elements, upload, photos, shape, icons, and even frames. These are the tools you use to build your design from the scratch. The next section is the project section. This section stores everything you've designed, everything you've worked on. Whether you are done designing and downloaded it or you're still working on it, you'll find it here. You can also create a folder to organize your project and use the search feature to quickly find older designs. So the next one we're talking about are templates. What are templates? Templates are pre-designed layouts that helps you create beautiful design much faster. So instead of starting from a blank page, you can simply choose a template, then customize it. In Canva, some templates are free, while others you have to use Canva Pro. But everything, like I said earlier, everything we'll be using in this tutorial are completely free. There are so many templates to choose from. You can just browse through and pick the design that works best for you. So next is brand section. This is especially useful for businesses. Here you can save your logo, your brand color, font, brand assets. This makes it very easier for you to keep all your design consistent. So the next tool we'll be talking about is Canva AI. Canva AI allows you to describe what you want using text, and then it can generate a design. It can generate image, document, or even code for you. It's a very powerful tool that can save you a whole lot of time. So now let's get into the business of the day, which is creating an Instagram post using a free template. Click on templates. Then in the search bar, type Instagram post. You will also notice options like Instagram story, reels, and carousel. As you browse, you will see some templates with gold crown icons. Those are the Canva Pro templates. but we'll be choosing the one without the crown since we're working with a free template. So notice that I'm currently searching for a template that contains both text and image, so I can show you how to edit the text and also how to replace and import images. Once you've found the perfect template, click on it to open it. So once the design is open, we'll go straight to editing the text. So select the text you want to edit. Go ahead to double click on it in order to highlight it. So once it's highlighted, you can either click the delete key or the backspace key. Now go ahead to input your own text. Once the text is selected, you will see several editing options at the top. These include the font style, font size, text color, bold, underline, strike through. Also have uppercase. You can also align your texts, list them. You also have an advanced setting that has to do with the line spacing, letter spacing, transparency. We have text effects. In fact, we even have animation. Feel free to experiment with this until you are happy with the look of your designs. Now let's edit the image. Select an image, then right click, choose delete. Sometimes the image sits in a frame. If that's the case, Canva will ask you whether you want to delete only the image or delete both image and the frame. If you delete only the image, the frame remains. So now to replace an image into the empty frame, all you have to do is go to your sidebar where you have elements, click on elements, then search the perfect image for your design. Some images are free while others requires Canva Pro. Choose a free image, then click on it. Once you click on the image, it automatically fills the frame. Now you can adjust the image by dragging it until it fits perfectly. So if you decide to delete both the image and the frame, simply go to Elements and search for frame. Choose the frame that you like and position it where you want it to be. Next, you add an image by dragging it into the frame. But for this tutorial, instead of finding an image to add into the frame, I will simply just duplicate an image that's currently in my design. To duplicate an image, select the image, then right click and select duplicate, then drag the image to the frame. You can also duplicate an entire design simply by selecting the design, right click to duplicate, or you click on the duplicate button on top of the design, and your design will be duplicated immediately. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the share button, then select download. Go ahead and choose the format that works for you. For most designers, PNG is a great option because it gives you high quality images. Then select PNG or select your format, then click download. Once you click on download, your design will be saved to your computer. It's usually saved in your download folder. You can open the folder to confirm that your design has been saved successfully. And that's it. You have learned how to use Canva to edit text, replace image, work with frames, duplicate pages, and even download your finished design. All of these were done using Canva's free version. And I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications so you won't miss the next Canva tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.